What if I told you that somewhere right now there is a girl who understands every single word of English but still can't speak a sentence? Not because she is not intelligent, not because she didn't study, but because something inside her stops her every time she tries. Her hands start shaking, her heart beats faster, and her voice disappears. Sounds familiar? Maybe you have felt that too. That moment when you know what to say, but the words just don't come out. But what if I tell you her story didn't end there? What if I tell you one night something happened that changed everything? Something strange, something unexpected, something that made her face the very world she was running away from. And no, this is not just a story about learning English. This is a story about fear, about silence, and about finding a voice you thought you never had. Because the truth is, English is not just a language, it's confidence, it's expression, it's the difference between staying silent and finally being heard. So stay with me till the end because somewhere in this story you might just find a part of yourself, and maybe, just maybe, by the time this story ends, you won't be afraid to speak anymore. Welcome to the English Academy, where your journey from fear to confidence begin. And let's begin the story also. Some stories don't begin with confidence, they begin with silence. This is the story of a girl who had so much to say, but no words to say it. Her name was Meera. Meera was a bright student. She understood everything in class, every concept, every idea. But when it came to speaking English, her voice disappeared. One day, her teacher, Meera, can you read this paragraph? Her hands trembled. Her throat went dry. She stood up, but no words came out. Classmates whispering. Why is she always silent? She doesn't know English. Meera sat down again, not because she didn't know the answer, but because she feared being wrong. One day, during a presentation, everyone had to speak in English. When Meera's turn came, she walked to the front, looked at everyone, and froze. Tears filled her eyes. Meera whispering, I can't. She ran out of the classroom. That day, something broke inside her. That evening, she walked alone, not knowing where to go. And then she noticed something strange. An old library she had never seen before. Curious, she stepped inside. The library was quiet, but not empty. Books were everywhere, but something felt different. Mira picked up a book titled The Voice You Lost. As she opened it, a voice echoed, a book, gentle voice. Why are you afraid of words? Mira dropped the book in shock. Who? Who is there? Book. You don't fear English, you fear judgment. The book glowed and words appeared. Learn like a child, not like a judge. Book explained. Children don't fear mistakes. They speak broken sentences, but they speak, they learn because they try. Book. English is not a subject, it's a skill, not perfection, but practice makes you fluent. Every day, Mira returned to the library. She started small things. One word a day, one sentence a day, speaking in front of a mirror. She made mistakes, but this time she didn't stop. Slowly, words become sentences, sentences became confidence, and confidence became her world. Back in the class, another presentation day arrived. Same classroom and same students, but this time a different Mira. She walked forward, took a deep breath, and began. Mira, clear and confident. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share something important. Not about English, but about fear. The class went silent. She spoke not perfectly, but powerfully. After the class, her teacher smiled. Teacher, Mira, what changed? Mira smiled softly. Mira, I stopped being afraid of being wrong. That evening, Mira went back to the library, but it was gone. No building, no books, nothing. Only a small knot on the ground. The library was never outside. It was always inside you.
Amazing!
And just like that, her journey changed. Not because the world suddenly became easier, not because people stopped judging, but because she stopped being afraid of her own voice. She seemed a girl who once stood silent, afraid to even say a single sentence, now speaks, not perfectly but confidently. And that's the difference, because in the end, it was never about English. It was about fear, the fear of being wrong, the fear of being laughed at, the fear of not being good enough. But there is something you need to understand, that fear doesn't disappear on its own. It fades the moment you decide to speak despite it. So now, the real question is not about her anymore. It's about you. How many times have you stayed silent even when you had something to say? How many opportunities have you let go just because you doubted your English? And how long will you keep waiting to feel perfect before you begin? Because that perfect moment will never come, but your moment can start today, right now, with just one sentence. It doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. So take the first step, break the silence, let your voice be heard. And remember, this is not just a story you watched. This is a journey you can live. This is the English Academy, where you don't just learn English, you build the confidence to express who you truly are. So go ahead, I am waiting for you. Write one simple sentence in English in the comments and begin your journey today.